How to fix driver power state failure in Nvidia SSD on Windows. 1. Enter safe mode and remove recently installed drivers. 2. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Perform an SFC and DISM scan. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health form. Change your power settings. 5. Change advanced power plan settings. 5.1 Set never to sleep and hibernation. 5.2 Set do nothing. To the items under power buttons and lid. 5.3, optionally, set. Graphics settings for PCI Express and LNK state power management to maximum performance and wireless adapter settings. 5.4 For laptop users, remove your battery and connect your machine to the power outlet. 6. Disable or remove your antivirus software. 7. Revert your graphics card drivers to the older version, if you can. 8. Change power settings in Nvidia control panel. 8.1 Choose your dedicated graphics card as preferred graphics processor. 8.2 Locate power management mode in the list of settings and select prefer maximum performance. 9. Uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power in network adapter properties under device manager.